Hi, I'm Rob from Currys, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to clean your fridge. As well as a regular clean, you should be doing a deep clean every 3 to 6 months, so it's a great habit to get into. And we're going to be looking at 3 steps. Number 1, preparing for the clean. Number 2, cleaning the shelves and the drawers. And number 3, cleaning the surfaces inside and out. Firstly, preparation. And a quick tip, plan ahead. Aim to do this just before your weekly food shop so that it reduces the amount of food that you're moving around, because the first thing you're going to have to do is remove the food from the fridge. And another quick tip, bacteria multiplies quickly at room temperature, so aim to have a cool box pre-packed with ice blocks ready to put the food into so that it can remain cool whilst you're cleaning the fridge. Also, while you're removing the food, if you come across anything that's past its use by date, or in this case, doesn't look quite right, this is your opportunity to get rid of it. Number 2, cleaning your shelves and your drawers. Now, quick tip, have the user manual nearby, because if you've not removed these before or you're unsure how to, refer back to it, just so then you don't break anything. And then once you've removed it all, you need to wash it with hot water, with washing up liquid and a sponge. And if there's any stubborn stains, leave these to soak for a while before you start cleaning them. And finally, number 3, cleaning your surfaces inside and out. Use a sterilising fluid with cold water for this part, as this will get rid of all those hidden germs. And another tip, if there's any stubborn build-ups, use a dab of white toothpaste. This will act as an abrasive cleaner, and plus it smells pretty decent as well. So remember, clean all surfaces inside and out, including things like the door handles, as this is where germs can build up. So once everything's been cleaned, you can replace the drawers and the shelves, and then you can turn the fridge back on. But make sure you don't put the food back into your fridge until the temperature is below 5 degrees. And if you want to find out more about maintaining your fridge, visit us in store or online at currys.co.uk.